this worldly nation. Just perhaps there was not quite enough conciliation. There was a desperate need of more deliberation, and a need to meet to gain a chronic consultation for a guide to find peace in this worldly nation. When war is the topic of most conversation, with no cause to think of the destination, it makes some think of their soul salvation, when there is no peace at all in observation. Then to feel there is a strong obligation to speak of this real painful indignation, and don't know what to do in this situation, but pray for peace in this worldly nation. There are a lot who feel some demonstration now may sometimes cause more aggravation, and they do need to have more education to really make peace in a final reservation. There may have to be much more information if there is a wait for a wiser generation to prove there is one God in all creation, to give peace, love, and a closer relation in all this worldly nation.